Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fill out IRS Form 8962. First, collect your Form 1095A and your Premium Tax Credit PTC statement from your marketplace. Then complete Part 1 by providing your name, social security number, and other personal information. After that, complete Part 2 by entering your household information and household income, including the Modified Adjusted Gross Income, MAGI, and any other income sources. Step 4 is to complete Part 3 by using the information in your form to calculate your premium tax credit. Step 5, if you didn't have minimum essential coverage for part of the year, then calculate your shared responsibility payment, or also known as SRP. The next step is to complete part 4 by calculating any advanced premium tax credit, also known as APC, that you received from the premium tax credit. Step 7, compare the APC you received during the year with the PTC you are eligible for, so that you determine whether you received too much or too little APC. Step 8, double check the information you have filled out in your form and ensure your calculations are correct, and then sign and date the form. Step 9, attach your filed 8962 form to your tax return form 1040 and submit it to the IRS before the tax deadline. Step 10, and finally, keep your records and copies saved in case of any future inquiries or IRS audits. Now, you need to make sure that all of these files, you should have some copies of it, just in case you faced any problem or issue. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.